Hello and welcome everybody. I am starting today's video with my best wishes to all YouTube viewers and listeners on the beginning of 1431st Mangabd. The intense heat of the summer season is over. So today's video is about ceiling fan problem. Please watch and like the full video. The fan does not rotate even after switching on. So the fan is opening. The lid was opened. Now the coil is being taken out. See that the wire connection area to the coil is burned. Now the area is being cleaned to see if the burn is in a repairable condition. It appears that the coil cannot be saved in any way. The coil has to be replaced. So the bearing is opened. Now the bearings are oiled a little before the new coil fittings. The 6201 bearing is mounted on the lower cover of the fan. The 6202 bearing already attached to the top cover is also oiled. Here is the new binding coil being installed. The fan body was held in this way and knocked a little on the hard floor. This time fixing the line of the nut bolts and tightening. It appears that the coil is jammed with the body. See how the coil is being freed. This should be adjusted. Yes, it is a little free now. Now the nuts have to be tightened again. Now you can see that the coil has become free. A fan usually has 2 coils to each for a total of 4 ends. Here the yellow and red marked coils are twisted together with 1 ends each, to which a wire of AC 220 volt will be connected. Other 2 ends of the coils are connected with 2.5 mF capacitor. Now keep close attention to how the other wire of AC 220 volt is being fixed. The fan body rotates clockwise when viewed from above, hanging the fan down. Then we can assume that the fan swing rod rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Now placing one wire of the series line to the wire connecting 2 coils of the fan and pushing the other wire to the ends of the condenser where the swing rod of the fan rotates anti-clockwise will make a correct connection. Thank you for watching the full video. My next video will be about high speed ceiling fan. Thank you again and namaskar.